ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமக. தசகம் 82 ஸ்லோகா 6. நிருத்தாசேஷாஸ்திரே முமுஹுஷி தவாஸ்திரேண கிரிஷே த்ருதா பூதா பீதாக பிரமதகுலவீராக பிரமதிதாக பராஸ்கந்தத் ஸ்கந்தः குசுமशरबाणैश्च सचिवः सकुम्भाण्डो भाण्डं नवमिव बलेनाशु बिभिदे. Word by word meaning. Niruddha Sheshastre. Niruddha, blocked or repulsed. Asheshastrani, all weapons, all of whose weapons were repulsed. Girishe, when Shiva. Tava astrena, by thy weapon. Mohanastram. Mumuhushi, became unconscious. Bhutaha, the bhutas. Bhitaha, drutaha, fled in fear. Pramatha kula veeraha, the leaders among the Pramatha, those who attend on Shiva. Pramatitaha, were crushed. Kusumashara Banaihi, by the arrows of Kusumashara Pradyumna. Skandaha cha, Skanda also. Paraskandat, was defeated. Sachivaha, the minister of Bana. Saha Kumbhandaha, the Kumbhanda. Balena, by Balarama. Navam Bhandam Eva, like a new pot. Ashu Bibide, was quickly smashed. Full meaning. When Shiva, whose weapons were all repulsed, was rendered unconscious by thy Mohanastra, the Bhutas fled in fear, and the leaders of the Pramathaganas were all crushed. Skanda was defeated by the arrows of Pradyumna, and Kumbhanda, Bana's minister, was smashed like a new pot by Balarama. Note: Pradyumna is called Kusumashara, one whose arrows are flowers, since he is Kamadeva reborn. Om Tat Sat.